Yo guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we're gonna unbox the grey Casio, the GA-2110ET-8AER. In the box you can find a 5.611 caliber buck. And there's also an international warranty card. The watch is in a grey camo box. And there it is, the beautiful Casio watch. This Casio also has a nickname, the Casio G, because it has the same shape as the Royal Oak series from Audemars Piguet. This watch is very strong, it has a carbon core guard. It has a retro G-Shock look thanks to its octagonal bezel and traditionally shaped resin bands. The watch has a diameter of 45.4mm and is 11.8mm thick. The watch is 20 bar water resistance and has a mineral glass. The reasons why I absolutely love this watch is because first of all it is a Casio with such an amazing dial with a retro look that looks so cool. It also has good specifications and it's only €129. And if you're interested in buying one of these watches, I've got some great news for you, because we still have 70 pieces left in our store. You can find the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.